How to enable developer mode on iOS. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on your iPhone running iOS 16 or 17. Whether you're an app developer or just want to explore advanced features, enabling developer mode is the key, so let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now, you'll need to navigate through some settings to enable developer mode. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Once you're in the Privacy and Security menu, scroll all the way down and you'll see an option labeled Developer Mode. Now, if you cannot find it, what you can also do is simply search for Developer Mode. Tap on Enable Developer Mode, or you can simply find the toggle, simply enable it. These are all the options. After you turn on the toggle, a prompt will appear asking you to restart your iPhone for the changes to take effect. As you can see here, tap on Restart to continue. Once your iPhone restarts, you'll see another prompt asking if you're sure you want to enable developer mode. Tap on Turn On. After you confirm, developer mode will be fully enabled. You can now use advanced features like running apps from Xcode, installing development builds, and others. Just so you know, enabling developer mode unlocks some powerful features like testing your own apps on your device without having to go through the App Store. And there you have it. If at any point you want to turn off developer mode, just go back and simply turn the option off. And there you have it. That's how you enable developer mode on your iPhone running iOS 16 or 17.